Hello guys, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open external hard drive on Windows 10 and make sure it appears properly so you can access your files easily. Step 1. First, in Disk Management, if your external hard drive shows unallocated space, right-click on it and select New Simple Volume. This allows you to create a usable partition so Windows can recognize the drive. Step 2. Next, follow the wizard by pressing. Next, choose a drive letter for your hard drive and press Next again. Assigning a drive letter is essential because without it, the drive won't show up in File Explorer. Step 3. Now, adjust the settings if needed, such as File System or Volume Label, then press Next and Finish. These settings help format the drive correctly and make it ready to use on your PC. Step 4. Finally, return to File Explorer, click off to another folder, and then back to check if your external hard drive now appears. Once it shows up, you can open it and access all your files as usual. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.